welcome.
We want to take some pretty pictures.
All right, let's go change clothes first.
So many pretty clothes. What should I wear? Click the It's such a beautiful photo. Thank you. I need to wear pretty clothes for a photo. Please find some nice ones for me. Click the camera. What a great photo. Thanks. We finished our photo shoot. Let's go. Hi, baby bus. Hi, Kiki. Get on the bus. Where should I sit? Fasten your seatbelt. Thank you. Kiki is on the bus. I can't see in front. Clean the wiper and clean the front with. There's not enough gas. Fill it up for me, please.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Let's go, baby bus.
Hi, baby bus.
Hi, get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
All our friends are on the bus. We have arrived at the hospital. Let's get a regular checkup.
Let's go.
ECG measurement. Sort them by color. Sort them by color. Yes, this is the right place. Click the switch, which is the same color as the body. Yes, you're right. The checkup is finished. Your heartbeat is normal.
Thank you.
Measuring weight and height. Lulu's weight, 21 kilograms. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number. Lulu's height, 98 centimeters. Write the numbers on the board. Yes, you're right. Put the stamp on the number.
Check your eyesight. See which way the E goes. Slide now. Yeah, that's the right direction. Not this direction. Try again. Not this direction. Try again. Yeah, that's the right direction. Not this direction. Try again. Yeah, that's the right direction. Not this direction. Yeah, that's the right direction. All correct. You have very good eyesight.
Hearing test. Listen, what's that sound? No, listen again. Puppy. Frog.